Hey guys, how are you? This is LP Hair. My name is Laura and thank you for stopping by my channel today. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new favorite hairstyle, which is a really nice big high bun on top of my head. And it looks super cute with my undercut, it looks super cute with my dreads, and I'm very happy to be sharing this style with you guys today. So don't forget, you can subscribe down below if you like what you see. I put new videos up every Monday and I would love to keep sharing with you guys. So let's get started here. So the first off, what I did was my hair is clean and I've blow dried all of my hair here up off of my face, this way here, this way up in the front, and way up this way. And that's just gonna get all of the hairs flowing in an up and back position. My bangs are quite short, so they're not totally gonna fit into the bun. I'm gonna have to be holding them in place with the hairspray. So using the blow dryer to get everything going up and back is really gonna help this style. And so then what I'm going to do is coat my hair in a little bit of hairspray all throughout it. And then I'm going to go and tease the whole top back. And again, this is just going to help me so that I can get these little guys up at the front to go back into the bun. So you can just give this a quick little tease everywhere. It doesn't have to be that precise. And I'm going to tease the whole way down the length of my hair, just for some extra volume. The more that you tease your hair, the bigger that your bun is going to be. And I guess today I want to wear a big bun, so I'm going to tease it kind of a lot. There we go. Getting everything nice and teased. And it's important to get these little guys at the front here the most. You can tease them and get them sticking back here, almost like a giant pomp. All right, and then once you have this done, go and give it another big set of hairspray. And I'm gonna go all the way around the front and then try to get in between and then down to the full length. There. And now it's ready to go up. So what I'm gonna do now is take all of my hair and I'm just gonna lightly brush it back with my fingers, all this bit in the front. And what I'm gonna do is take all of my fresh, clean, non-dreaded hair and gather it up into a ponytail right at the back here, as well as grabbing these two dreads right here to open up my undercut on the side there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, is just grab these dreads that I have right here on the side to open me up right here. And so now I have this really nice big wide open look up at the front here. My hair falling down at the back, and I've got my nice bit of gathered hair here, and you can see it's already going up so nicely. And then I'm just going to grab these hairs and I'm just going to give them a nice light twist all the way up to the ends, and then when I start feeling it bend, I'm going to let it fall and twist into a nice natural bun shape here. And then tuck the dreads, my remaining little pieces, underneath the bottom. And then I'll secure it with bobby pins. One in the back. I'll put one up front here. And you can just, use as many bobby pins as you need to get your hair secure. I have my fat dreads going in here, and so they're not really that easy to secure, but they'll get there with just a few pieces. Clip down. And then just some last little bits of hairspray just to keep these guys up here back. And there you have it. Like I said, this is my new favorite hairstyle. I love the way that it shows up my undercut. I love being able to have my hair off my face, and it's really, really easy, which is like a total bonus because I don't want to spend that much time on my hair. So there you are. All right, and Laura from LP Hair, that's me. I post videos every Monday. Please subscribe. Let me know how this hairstyle goes for you. And let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions at all or any requests for any videos. And don't forget to come see me next week. Bye!